Akala nyo wala ng pag-asa. Akala nyo this is the end. What's the one thing that I wish everyone knew about in life? I do hope alam talaga ninyo na there's so much abundance in life. Akala ng karamihan na hanggang dyan na lang ang buhay mo. Diyan ka nagkakamali. Akala nyo wala ng pag-asa. Akala nyo this is the end. Akala nyo kung nasan kayo ngayon, dyan na kayo. Dyan ka nagkakamali. You know, with the thing that itong nalalaman ko na to that there's so much abundance in life, if you will choose to be successful, you can do it right now. Siguro marahil wala lang kasi tumutulong sa inyo, hindi kayo nyo alam kung saan kukuha ng assistance, how would you know more about yourself. But my point right here is that you're not getting out of your comfort zone kasi. Of course, I cannot judge you, okay? I am not saying na wala kasing ginagawa. But my point right here is that pinili mo kasi yung buhay niya. Pinili mo na magstay ka kung nasan ka ngayon. But if you will realize now that there's so much abundance in life, I can guarantee you, grabe, this is so powerful, na kaya mong kumita ng malaki kahit nandito ka lang sa Pilipinas. Nagawa ko, sure akong kayang-kaya mo. It's hard for me to tell you exactly kung paano siya step by step, but right now, you have to have that kind of realization that there's so much abundance in life, and kailangan mo munang kilalaning maigi yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo munang mas i-master ang sarili mo before anything else. And I do hope marating yung pagkakataon.